everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa. So today I have the Shatter Me box from Wick and Fable. So I am so excited about this. I love the Shatter Me series so much, and this box is gorgeous. It honestly is. Like, I'm so excited. But before I get into this box, there were two items in the other box. So first is this gorgeous little pin banner thingy. Ignite, my love, ignite. I love this. This is beautiful. I probably won't put any pins on it. I'll probably just hang it on my wall like that. The next thing is the reason why I got this, because I knew they were doing a blanket. And oh my gosh, this is a really nice blanket. Oh my gosh. Like, I'll take a picture of it and add it to the screen, but oh, this is a nice blanket. Like, it's gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna get into this box. And that's what it always looks like. Let's see what's in here. This is the spoiler card. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Yep. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It says, words will live as long as people remember them. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Oh, thank you. You taking all the candles out?
Yeah.
Let's see. We got stuff at the bottom.
Wow. I bet. Oh, no.
Right. And lots of packing peanuts.
No.
Okay. So, this is the next item that was in the box. It's like the eyes of the book. This is so pretty. It's a wood mark. It's double-sided. It's so pretty. I love it. And then we got some art prints.
Thanks.
Look, look how beautiful Warner is. I love it. Character cards. And then, of course, there is Juliet. And then I like the back design on it, too. It's really pretty.
Okay, go.
Here, you want the box?
Yeah.
You can play in the peanuts, that's fine. And then the next one is Warner and Juliet again. Look how cute they look. And then on the back it says, I've been screaming for years and no one has ever heard me. And that's just so beautiful. And then we're gonna get down to the candles. So the first big candle is Shatter Me. It's got the same quote as the back of this card, and that label is gorgeous. Like, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Thank you, honey. I'm gonna look at the card. This one is Lavender and Amber Woods. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells so amazing. I love that. So then the next one is Kenya, Cool Mint, White Musk, and Citrus Fusion. Look at that.
Apple.
That actually, it smells really interesting. It's a very manly scent, but I actually kind of like it. Oh, let me see who this one is. This one is Adam Kent, Bergamot, Sandalwood, and Leather Woods. This one smells good. I have to admit, Adam smells pretty good. So, then we have Juliet, and Juliet, it is jasmine and spices. And then, gorgeous label. Oh, excuse me. That's very strong, but it's actually really pretty. And then the last one is Warner. And Warner is honeysuckle and citrus. Warner smells pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. They're there's the label. Beautiful. They smell amazing. Oh, you want to smell Warner? Smell good?
More.
So that was everything in this box. I absolutely enjoyed this box. I love the blanket. It's so nice and so soft, and it's probably my new favorite blanket. Let me know what you guys thought of this box down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!